Want to add creative backgrounds to your Instagram Reels? Instagram's new green screen feature makes it easy to replace your background with photos. Here's how to use this exciting feature. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen. In the menu, select the Reel option. After that, tap on the camera icon in the top left corner to start recording your reel. The green screen feature works primarily with faces. Rotate your camera to the front or rear, depending on your preference. Next, tap on the green screen icon on the right side, which looks like this. For demonstration purposes, I will show this process using a few photos displayed on my computer monitor. You can zoom in or out on your face and position it as you like. Instagram's green screen feature lets you get creative and transport yourself to any location or setting. To change the background, tap the Change Background button. You can select an image from your phone's gallery or choose from the Scenes option for preset backgrounds. Pick the background you like until you find the perfect one. Keep in mind that the green screen works much better with the selfie camera and close-up shots of your face. For full-body shots or using the rear camera, the results might not be as effective, as you can see in this example. Experiment with backgrounds and enjoy creating your reel. Start recording by tapping the button at the bottom of the screen and share it with your followers as usual. If you enjoyed this tutorial, follow for more social media tips and tricks.